Downloading data from Reddit can be useful for research, analysis, or personal interest. Follow these steps to successfully download data from the platform. Step 1. Create a Reddit account. If you don't already have a Reddit account, go to the Reddit website and sign up. This will allow you to access the API and download data. Step 2. Register an application. Visit the Reddit App Preferences page and create a new application. Fill out the required fields, including the app name, description, and redirect URI. Make sure to select the appropriate application type. Step 3. Obtain API credentials. Once your application is created, note down your client ID and client secret. These credentials will be necessary for authenticating your request to the Reddit API. Step 4. Use a programming language. Choose a programming language such as Python to write a script that will interact with the Reddit API. Use libraries like ProPython Reddit API wrapper to simplify the process of fetching data. Step 5. Execute your script. Run your script to download the desired data from Reddit. You can specify parameters such as subreddit, time frame, and data type to tailor the output to your needs. By following these steps, you can effectively download data from Reddit for your projects or analysis. Happy data gathering!